Okay, good morning. I have questions about how to do the Rank.EQ function that's in step 7 of participation 5. So even though there's a recording out there, I wanted to do it in my way, just so that you could see it. And if you have any questions, it's sort of broken out for you and you can reference specific things. Rank.EQ is surprisingly easy. It just involves wrapping your mind around a particular way of doing things. So here's what you do. He says on the home value sheet, and I look to make sure I'm on the home value sheet. Let me zip over here. Yep, I'm on the home value sheet. And we want to use a formula to rank the states by median home value. And he says, in column J, use the Rank.EQ function to rank each state by its 2010 median home value. Okay, well, there's only one column for 2010, and that's right here. And we want to rank each state. So how do we do it? Well, here's how I approach it. First, I make sure I'm in the cell, and then I hit the Insert Function button. I search for Rank.EQ, because that's what he tells us. And you'll notice it will tell you what Rank.EQ does. I'll leave you to read that. All we need to know is we want to take a number and compare it against a bunch of numbers. See, a reference is an array of, or reference to a list of numbers. So you're not doing just one. So that's the second thing. The first is just the number you want to rank. So here's what we do. We take and we put first the number we want to compare. You see, it's just that for Alabama. And then blink. We go down here to reference and we select the whole range of states. We don't include total. Fortunately, there's no total row, so I go all the way down to Wyoming. And it's basically saying, I'm comparing that one value of Alabama against the whole column, and I hit OK. All right, so you get the list, and you ask yourself, well, how do I know for sure that I'm right? How do I know that I've done the right thing? Well, one thing I will sometimes do, you're not required to do this in the assignment, is I'll tell it to sort from the smallest to the largest. In other words, Hawaii is the most expensive place to buy a house. And then you scroll all the way down. And you're not seeing a bunch of repeating numbers. You scroll all the way down to the District of Columbia. Now, occasionally when there's a tie, for example, Indiana and Michigan both have a median value of 123.3 in 2010. You notice there's two 44s. It skips 45 and it goes on to 46. All right, that's all there is to it. It's nothing more than that. You all can replay this video to your heart's content. If you have any questions, you certainly can ask me. Hope this has been helpful. And again, questions, send them to me. Thanks.